Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and it's time for another shave video. I've been trying to catch up with all of the mail calls I've received, so I've got quite a few in line, just that I've been working a lot of overtime, so by the time I get home from work, 7, 8 o'clock at night, I'm pretty beat. So, but in 2 weeks, I'll be starting a vacation, so I'm just going to take some time off for Christmas, so I will be home. Hopefully I can crank out some more videos. But today's video, I'm so glad wet shaving is taking off again, slowly but surely. I mean, we have a Wilkinson sword razor out, and a lot of companies are coming out selling wet shaving products. And actually, you're tipping me off about a lot of them that I hadn't heard of before. Today's shave comes from one of those companies. It's the good folks at Bigfoot Shaves. And they've got an entire line of DE shaving equipment, a double-edged, single or traditional DE razor and shaving equipment. So I'm going to be using some of them that came in a mail call today exclusively. So first of all, I'm going to get it soaking. But in this container, I'm going to open it up right here for you. We have, man, old school, wooden handle, badger brush, real badger. Bit of a badger smell on it. So we'll see how it goes with that. I'm gonna soak it and get it ready as we are talking here into the crystal skull. Makes a great soaking bowl there. All right, second that comes in here is a nice shave bowl. You can get pretty much everything for your shave. 1-piece, 2-piece, 3-piece razors, twist open razors, bowls, stands, brushes. I didn't see on their site any shave cream, but I just might have been blind and not seen it. But I'm going to be using the bowl today, and I'm going to be using an old favorite of mine, some Taylorable Bond Street Grapefruit in this bowl. Got the air freshener blowing over there. All right. Trying to keep everything organized without dropping them and making a mess. Got a good haircut finally. One of you guys had commented, thought it was kind of funny. What's happening with your hair, Ken? You're looking like World War I. So I don't know what that meant, but I figured, hey, it's about time. All right, next from Bigfoot Shaves, the razor. Comes in a nice box like this. They're giving away free razor blades if you're interested. That's the literature that comes with it. There we go. Oh, more literature. See if I can... They're stuck in the bottom here. Fortunately, we carry a knife. There we go. No longer stuck. All right. Thanks for joining the family. Win some cool prizes. Kind of shows the instructions on how to use the razor. Hopefully, being an engineer, I don't believe in instructions. It's kind of silly, but I have done 1 or 2 shaves before, so hopefully I'm pretty familiar with the, set this right here, with how to open a twist open razor. All right, comes in a container. Bigfoot Shaves. Here we go. You got your blades and you got your razor. And it looks like one of those, is it Welshies? Nice looking chromed razor. There we go. Does it say where she's made? Does not say where she's made, but we have seen a lot of these before and they perform very well. We're going to just take it to the test today. What I'm intrigued about is I usually would use blades I'm familiar with. I have not used the super stainless Bigfoot Shaves blades. So let's see. I'm going to open this up. Don't know how they're going to perform. Super stainless. Got the usual 2-piece envelope. Bigfoot Shaves. So we're going to use these today. Inside this. Let's open it up. Drop it in. Snug it tight. Take a look at the alignment. Looks pretty good to me. We will see how this does. All right, I'll put the case over here. Hopefully I don't drop it. The post-shave today, I'm going to be using one of my old favorites, Floyd. I haven't tried their blue. It's been discontinued, but this stuff is really good. I really enjoy it. We will be using that today. All right. How's the week going? Man, if you've been watching the rain in Southern California or watching the news in Southern California, the fires are out, but now we're getting mudslides because we're getting a downpour. Here was what it looked like in the car today. It was good. Welcome. Rain is welcome in Southern California. Always welcome. All right. This is a nice soft soap if you've ever used this before. So I'm going to scoop out some of it. I could probably just use my finger. I'm going to scoop out some of it and put it into the shave bowl. There we go. Because I am getting more and more people asking, hey, I'm getting into it. You know, where can I buy? What can I buy? What do you suggest? And there's a lot of products out there, man. A lot of them. So that's great. Give it a good choice. Oh, and thank you all. Thank you very much, because yesterday this happened. Oh, man. So I've got a subscriber giveaway coming up too, an 8,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you very much for helping me get this far. I've got some prizes. I had a few prizes lined up, but some good folks at some of these shaving companies are going to be sending me some products to give away. They're actually in the mail, so I'm going to hold off a little bit till they arrive. I've got a shaving brush from Rich Man Shaving. I've got something from Triple Pass Shaving coming. There's just some cool things out there. So I'm waiting for that to give away. Oh, and there's another site out there. A lot of you are saying, hey, where do you find your razors, your old vintage razors? I usually eBay. But there's another site out there where I'll put the name right here. And you can go and check it out. I'll put the link in the description of this video, where you can get secondhand razors, secondhand soap, all types of shaving equipment at a reasonable price. Some place just focusing specifically on shaving equipment, but other than eBay. All right. I got some pretty good growth going here. All right. Yeah, it's got the badger smell. Someone said, how long is this stink gonna last? On one of they bought a badger, and you know, it takes a few shaves for that smell to go away. So just, you know, you have an official badger brush, man, when that happens. You know, you don't have a synthetic. Whoa! Now I only smell grapefruit. I had that soap in my ear for about 10 minutes after my shave last time, and I noticed it on the way out of the house. I think I'd know better. And it's almost the end of Movember, so that's another shave I got coming up. I'm going to be taking off this goatee pretty soon. Tomorrow is the 30th. And the mustache. And I think I'm going to use my new Mula R41 on that. All right. Let's try this bad boy out. A lot of feedback. My problem is I think it's one of my regular razors, and I'll go real fast, and that's probably not good to do on a razor you're trying out for the first time. Doesn't appear to be on the aggressive side. The blade is milder, which almost scares me for when I get down to my neck, because I'm notorious for cutting myself. And again, I got a lot of growth going. This is where I'm usually the victim. Got my new Series 3 Apple Watch. Dueling watches. I use this to track my health, the walking and the exercise for the day. In fact, I might do a review on it because it's friggin' awesome. I've never had an Apple Watch before. And this is Series 3. Wow. Made it through the first pass. No cuts. So you're seeing them, you know, they're going, hey man, are you biased? You say everything's good. If it cuts me, doesn't necessarily mean I think it's good. But that didn't cut me. And I could stop now. I'm going to at least take 2 passes on this. Probably should have wet that brush just a tad more. It's starting to dry a little bit. There we go. It's nice to have hot water in the sink. No complaints. And she's a real badger. I can hear that, but I don't know if you can. Nice. I actually planned on doing about 2 shaves prior to this, but oh man, I was beat. Rotating it. One gent was saying he was trying, I forgot what blade he was trying in his Marvel razor he just got, and he said it was a bloody mess, whatever razor or whatever blade he was using, but I had good success. So I've got to tell you, sometimes it's your familiarity with the blade and the razor, getting the right combo. Doesn't always work great the first time. All right. Soap in that ear. Soap, nope. You guys always catch me. Soap on the collar, soap on the shirt. I'm a messy eater, Ma. There we go, getting soap everywhere. All right. I always keep this handy. I don't use it all the time, the alum block, unless I've got a cut, but she's always right here. And I keep the Thayers handy. I may put a little on. I do like it. Nice. Grapefruit and then peach. And then the Floyd. I was talking to one of you, and I guess you had came down to Southern California for a trip or a vacation. I'm not quite sure what. And you were going over to West Coast Shaving. And I said, say hello to my friend Abraham. Yeah, he works there. And I guess you did. You came down. You got some cool stuff. You can't walk out of there with nothing. I tell you, they have such a choice. And he was showing me that, and it's just kind of cool. So when people come to Southern California, it's nice that they have a couple of shaving places to visit. All right, some Floyd. Oh, not a bad burn. That must mean I haven't cut myself so low or so, you know, when you cut yourself and you put on aftershave, you're going to know it. Very mellow burn today. Nice. Good. Got all of that out. Whew. There you go. Bigfoot Shaves. No problems. If you haven't checked them out yet, the link will be in the, well, here's your link here, but it'll be in the description of this video. And like I said, I do have a lot of them lined up. I'm going to set out that badger brush. Hang it upside down. Dry it out. There we go. Good products. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your 8,000 subscriptions. I do appreciate it. And I will have an appreciation video coming out soon. Just waiting for all the prizes to arrive. All right. And thanks again for watching. And until next time, it's Kensurfs saying, have a great night.